how do you see sentiment against this record low of the rupee and of course the continued absence of the Indo-US trade deal? Is this something that's bothering the market?
First of all, Shanji, thank you for having me on your show, and a very good morning to you and your viewers and your team. So basically about the rupee, I think it was last year when all the other currencies were falling against the dollar, our fiscal tightening and monetary tightening held on our rupee to great extent against the dollar, right? So I think that those excesses are coming back to hurt us this time around. But having said that, 90 was probably, I think, even the RBI won't have calculated that this drop will be that sharp. And I think it's a culmination of a few things, right? Yes. I mean, the trade numbers that came out, they weren't that exciting. The production numbers that came out weren't that exciting. And I'm sure that is playing a bit on the sentiments of the rupee itself. And obviously the overhang, big overhang, that is the trade deal. Don't know when that's going to happen, but definitely not before Mr. Putin steps back to Russia. So there's like a week's gap now left before something can be heard on that front also. So I believe that all is playing on it. And I don't think so the sentiment is that negative today because frankly, I mean, the only impact that it will have, or a big impact that it will have, was on the inflation, right? Because we're a deficit country in terms of trade. But fortunately, inflation is at such a low number that I don't think the RBI would be now so worried. Obviously, they will be bothered about the rupee hitting lows every day, but not on the inflation front at least, but maybe on the trade front. So having said that, I think, yeah, things are looking not that great on that side of the story.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.